Stop the truck! Now! Pull into the parking lot! Roll the window down. Why are you doing with the kids? What's going on? Roll the window down, bro. These not your car? Step out of the car. Step out of the car, bro. Okay, step out of the car. Help me out here. It's not you? Alright, let me figure it out, okay? Put that bottle away. Put that bottle away. Okay, put that bottle away. Okay. Now you step out of the car and help me out. Okay? What do you mean not you?
Not me.
Okay. So let me figure out. I don't know what's going on.
Step out till you figure it out.
You're gonna step out. I cannot let you. Give me the car keys. Give me the car keys. Give me the car keys.
I know where your dad is.
I know where your dad is. I saw him running this way. Give me the car keys. I'm not asking you twice. Give me the car keys. Alright. Step out.
I don't know.
I step out. I need to figure out. I cannot let you in the car.
If I step out, you're gonna punch me.
I'm not gonna punch you, bro.
will.
No, I promise you.
You will.
I promise you.
You will. If I step out, you're gonna punch me.
Razor 103.
Razor 103.
Good, I got 94.
Unit 94, 15th and 137.
Is this?
Yeah.
Alright, step out of the car.
That's not my dad.
Step out of the car, bro.
Venite aquí.
Step out of the car.
Razor 103, unit 20.
Step out of the car.
Sí, aquí está la niña.
Step out of the car. Stay here. I need to figure out what's going on. That's all.
Over to Razor 103.
Razor 103. Come here.
Do you need your 94, 2018 or you support?
I'm 10-4, not 22. Alright.